So, ganito kami pag nagsha-shopping. Ito yung pinili ko kay Casey na bag. And, ang ganda niya, super worth it. Kahit medyo mahal. Kasi, nagagamit ko siya everyday. Like, dito ko siya nilalagay para magkalma lang siya. And, ayoko siyang i-drag around. Kasi nga, mas mahirap siyang i-drag. So, mas easy. Nandyan siya sa bag. Tapos, mag-shopping-shopping. We're getting a dinner right now. Hanap kami ng pagkain para sa dinner. That one, maybe it's good? Too soft? What do I need here? Except for salad, I need something else.
Chips, eat a whole guacamole, join us in one sitting.
We can.
Or we can put it in the fridge.
Yeah, we can put that in the cooler. If you want, you can get some. Just get one. Chunk? It doesn't matter. I forget. I need something to get. Did you eat the orange this morning? Probably we need more oranges. Should we get another water bottle? Drinking water bottle. We still have, but I don't know if we want to stop in Walmart again.
You need water?
Water. Bottle water.
Well, a water bottle is different than bottled water.
Oh, bottled water. That's what I meant.
I don't know why you need another water bottle. How many damn stupid tricky customers need it?
This is the one I like. Gluten free, but it's just tiny, not much in there. Because of my baby dog. Yeah, how cute it is. What else do I need? Maybe it gets some black beans. I can eat black beans. I just need to rinse it. Do you want to eat black beans? How about baked beans? Not that for dinner. It's not good for dinner. Yeah. It's very hard to find food. Hirapan kaming maghanap ng pagkain kung ano yung kakainin. Kasi wala nga kaming ref. And, gosh, it's just not easy. Si Alex, napipiko na siya. Parang gusto na niyang uwi ba? Magbalik sa bahay. Ito sa atin, oh. I have this Oshi in the Philippines. Oh! Oogie! Okay, say no, it's fine. No, don't worry about the dog. There's a lot of dogs in Walmart. Good thing they allow them. But in Aldi, they don't allow dogs. But here in Walmart, they allow it. Pero kanina, nadala ko si Casey sa Aldi. Like, wala silang sinabi. Kasi nga, nakalagay na siya dito sa bag. So, okay lang sa kanila. Palagi na lang sinasabi, service animal dog lang yung pwedeng dalahin sa loob ng Aldi store. But, pag nakasabag siya, hindi sila masyadong picky. So, kaya gusto ko talagang bumili ng ganitong bag. Matagal ko nang gustong bumili ng ganitong bag. Hindi lang ako makahanap. But kahapon, nagwo-walk around kami sa downtown ng Hendersonville. Nakita ko siya. So, kaya binili ko na. Kasi it's super hard to find. Ayoko naman bumili sa online. Kasi pag bumili ako online, baka hindi siya fit. So, kailangan talagang actual bago ko siya bilihin. We'll see how much for dinner living in the van. This is gonna be our dinner we're buying. We're gonna having some salad, corn, and some fruit. Each one. You got two. How many?
One mango.
Oh, okay. Then orange. This is all we bought. This is the thing we're buying. Not included the Tupperware. $24. But remember the Tupperware is like $4. So I get $20 for the dinner for two of us. Ay, cheaper, but you're not eating very healthy food. You're eating junk.
It's cheaper to eat junk.
Then later you're gonna get sick, and then we're gonna pay expensive.
Very nice.
Probably we're gonna get sick soon. Isn't it fun with our dog traveling? Don't give up yet. Keep trying.
For a while.
Si Alex, iniisip niya nang mag-give up.
Where is that?
Sabi ko sa kanya, don't give up. Keep trying. We'll see how far can we go. It's not easy, I know. But nothing easy anyway.
I know.
I don't know, it's your idea. You wanted to do it, and then I'm fine with it.
You wanted to do it.
I do want it, and you want it, and then we do it. And then now, that's it.
Well, we kept trying it. It never worked out.
It works out good to me. Welcome to our home. It's hot. Get off, Casey. Get down. Find your water and drink.
Put our shower water.
I'm going to cook a corn. Nandito kami ngayon sa parking lot. So, yung corn na binili namin is ito. Tapos, meron ako dito na lutuan. Galing to sa mama ni Alex. So, try ko siya. Actually, nagluto ako kahapon. And, super okay siya. 3 minutes lang sa microwave. Each side. And, lutong-luto na siya. Pero, hindi kasha yung... Do you know what? Did I say 4? I said 3. 3 corn only. Why you got 4 corn? No, I thought I said 3 will fit, but 4 is not. So I can only fit 3. I can keep it.
Do 2 at a time then.
Wasting a lot of power. I mean, you can get 2 more later and cook
We got
it.
plenty of power.
Okay. So, yung kasama ko, ayaw na niyang magbiyahe. Iba na naman yung nasa isip niya, Jai. Let's cook this corn first in this microwave. Ganito lang yung ating life. Ito yung microwave. Lagay lang siya natin dyan. Then, 3 minutes. Oh, I wanna try the mango if it's good. Then, we got some 2 oranges. Nilagay ko na sa cooler yung aming salad na kakainin. And then, I have this checked garbanzo. I'm gonna just rinse it and pour in our salad para mayroong protein. Oh, it's kinda expensive, huh?
So that's the best you're gonna get now.
That's because the gas is expensive, so they raise the prices. Hindi masarap yung mangga. Mas masarap talaga yung mangga sa Puerto Rico. Luto na yung ating corn. Kuha ako ng lagayan. This may be good to eat when it's hot. The corn. Okay. Let's cook 2 more.
Just like keep it covered so it doesn't dry out.
Okay. You can buy this sa Amazon. Mayroon ata. Then, ganito siya. Luto na to. Ganito lang. Dry. Wait, tatapusin ko na yung video dito, guys. Kasi, magkain lang naman kami ng dinner. Tapos, maghanap kami ng place ng tutulugan. And,